Hello everyone, welcome to the WordPress theme demo series. In this video, we are going to see installation, demo, import and customization of Salient, a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme. It having more than 470 plus beautiful templates with responsive editing. It support WP Bakery page builder. Let's go to the installation part. First go to the WordPress dashboard, click Appearance, then click Themes. Here click Add Theme, click Upload Theme, then click Choose File. If you purchase Salient as a GPL license version or the original license version, want to unzip the folder, you will get following files: Salient main file, Salient child, and licensing. So this is the main file you have to update. Salient, that is around 34 MB. So let's click Open, click Install now. Then click Activate. Okay, once it activated, you can see the Salient with the version and other details. So go down and click begin installing plugins. So here you can see the Salient Core and the Salient WP Bakery page builder are the required ones. Others are optional. So when you import the demo data, you can install other required plugins. So for the moment, install and activate these two, and also install this Salient demo importer. Then only you can easily import the demo data. So all three: Salient Core, Salient WP Bakery page builder, and Salient demo importer. So click install, return to the required plugin installer, click activate. Okay, all three plugins have been installed and activated. Now you can go on the left side, you can see the Salient menu is appearing. Just refresh the site. So now you can see the demo importer is appearing here. So go to Salient, go down, click demo importer. So here you can select your preferred theme. Okay, let's import this e-commerce theme. If you want to see this demo, you can go to the Theme Forest website. Search Salient. You can see this is the Salient one. Once you click this live preview, click this pre-built websites. Here you can see all categories. So let's click this business. Here this is the demo we are going to import. So let's view this one. So this is the theme we are going to import. You can see it's nice theme with the featured products. Once you click the category skincare, you can see cleans. So these are the products. So let's import this demo. So come back here, click import demo. Now it will ask the required plugins. We have already installed the WP Bakery and Salient Core. It also asks you to install the WooCommerce plugin. So let's click install now. Then click activate. Okay, now all the required plugins are installed and activated. Go down. So here you can click confirm and import, confirm demo import. So it will take a couple of minutes, depend on your internet speed and the hosting speed. So please wait for that period. Once the installation is completed, you will get following screen. So let's open this website in a new tab and see. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. You can see other pages, accessories, skincare. So all the items are imported. Let's come to the home page. So let's see how to edit this menu items and the contents. I can go back to the WordPress dashboard. Here go to appearance, then click menus. In the menu you can see the selected menu is the e-commerce robust. That's the top navigation menu, pull left. You can see the menu contents are here. Okay, here you can add or remove pages or rearrange the pages. So let's see what are the other pages available. You can see categories. So those kind of things you can edit here. If you want to edit the header and footer parts, you can go to the Salient and click header navigation. So here you can edit all the things. Use image for logo. So once you click open, you can upload the logo here. The layout, those kind of things you can easily edit in this section. Similarly, if you want to edit the front page, you can click edit with WP Bakery page builder. If you are familiar with the WP Bakery builder, you can easily edit these contents, title and the description, product categories, each items here, item descriptions, and this part. So all the things easily editable using the WP Bakery. So this is the simple explanation of the Salient theme installation and customization. If you want the detailed customization tutorial, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.